What's up, everybody? My name's Craig, and thank you for tuning in to another Gamble with Live video. So I just made it to Toquerville Falls, Utah, and this place is beautiful. This is gonna be my first camping spot for my trip that I just started. I'm on a multi-month solo camping trip around the country, primarily through the Pacific Northwest, which is pretty much the coldest part of the United States right now, and I'm attempting to do it while I camp in this thing. And this is my campsite. Well, it will be. I gotta set it up. But let me introduce you to my partner in crime here. SheRa, come say hi. Come on. Come say hi. Where's your mamas? Come on. Good girl. And this is SheRa. Say hi. Oh, get your stretches in. Get your stretches in. There you go. Good girl. So this is my road dog. Come here, SheRa. Come here. Come say hi. Come here. Look at. Say hi. She's gonna keep me nice and warm. It's currently 33 degrees right now, and it's supposed to drop to 8 degrees tonight, somewhere around there. I'll definitely keep you updated on the temperature. But I'm gonna go ahead and get camp set up right now. Get SheRa nice and comfortable, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Guys, it's getting really cold. SheRa's shivering. So take a look at the little jacket I got her. Look at that right there. Say hi, Shishi. Are you nice and toasty now? Yeah, maybe. You're tired, huh? You tired? This is dinner. Hot and easy. Creamy vegetable chicken dumpling. Delish. Hey guys, so a Jeep just rolled through and I went to go say hi, you know, to some fellow campers. And they're actually locals from where I'm from, in Corona, California. And they made homemade stickers. Take a look at this. It kind of matches my style. Let's see if you can see it. Mountaineers Off-Road Club. And it's Disney themed. How cool is that? Anyway, I thought it was neat. And my food was getting cold. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my dinner, clean up, try to warm up a little bit before bed tonight. It's dark, it's still windy, cold. And I think I'm gonna call it a night. SheRa already did. Take a look. She's done skis. This is a beautiful place though. Awesome place to disperse camp. I'll show more tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, everybody. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Sun's about coming out and it's 25 degrees. Look at outside. I got my ice packs sitting outside getting frozen again. Good morning, Shishi. Are you ready for some coffee? Cause I am. Oh yeah, I'm ready. How'd you sleep? You sleep good? Did you sleep all nice and warm? Your body boogies. You sleep good? Good girl. It's time for coffee, huh? This is what our mornings are all about. Alright guys, come take a look at the waterfall this morning. It was obviously below freezing. Come take a look at this. Alright guys, just headed out of camp from Toquerville Falls, taking a different way out. I met some friends last night, fellow Jeepers, and we're gonna try taking this other route. Take a look behind me.
Much better.
Guys, we made it to the end of the trail. That was an awesome trip. As you can tell from the Jeep behind me, got a little dirty. That means we had some fun. SheRa, how'd we do? Did you have fun? Yeah, I think she had fun. I think she had fun. It's beautiful. It's cold. It's about 32 degrees right now.